So as I mentioned, this is your architecture of the entire architecture, and here it will check the health condition. Route 23 will check the health condition of all the services and then only it will allow the user. If the health condition is not good, it will go to the static website. That is the web hosting which you have done in the through S3 bucket. And as I told you, it's fully compliant with IPv4 and IPv6. It is used to check the health of your resources and register your domain names as well. Now, as I told you, see, user will type the name of the email ID. It will be going to the DNS resolver. There, it will check with the Route 53 IP address. It is there. Then return the IP address, and it will go back to the user as a website. It's a normal your three-tier architecture, same configuration only. It will help you to convert your web address into IP address, which is stored in the Route 53. From there, it will go to DNS resolver, domain name system resolver, and from there it will go to
Sir,
the user. So all these
sir,
things
you're
which
on mute.
happen, like for example, you are typing on website Amazon.com. Is it taking more time, or
Sir,
it will just getting
you're muted, sir.
you are able to? Oh, sorry. I think from previous slide it was then. So it is the same thing only. It's the large architecture. Route 53 will check everything, all the resources is working. If it's working, then only it will allow the users to visit. If not, it will go to the static web page. It is the conversion, it is compiled with IPv4 and IPv6. You will be able to check for all the health resources. It will help you to register your domain names. Same thing, it will help you, the user, first to convert your website. Like the example, Amazon.com. It will get converted into DNS. So first it will go to DNS resolver. From there it will go to Route 23 and convert it as an ID. That IP address will come and it will display. See, always like this, all the websites will have this IP address like this. 192.1.1.2 Amazon.com, healthcare.com, this kind all will have a server IP address. That IP address is stored here in this DNS. Now it will go to the DNS. From there it will come to Route 23, take this IP address, get back to the person. Now how fast you are typing when you are typing this, let us take a website Amazon.com. How fast it will coming? It is coming. Is it coming in milliseconds? Is it running faster? Yes. Is it taking more time? So these this conversion, this translation is happening within a milliseconds. Okay. Now in Route 23 we have similar types. There are some several types of Route 23. One is simple routing, weighted round robin, latency routing, geolocation routing, geo-proximity routing, failure over routing, multi-value answer routing. So it is used in single server environments. As the name itself suggesting what? These are types of routing. First one, simple routing. That is, it is going to be used in a single server environment. So it's just a simple routing. Next, weighted round robin routing. Weighted round robin routing, it's mainly assign weights to the resource record sets to specify the frequency. That means, for example, you're having EC2, which is running on two websites are running. Now, this person has 75%, this person has 25% users. Who they will give the priority? More number of visitors are coming, but more number of visitors are coming 75% for this website. So Route 23, which is in the middle, wants to serve and distribute this. We want to utilize this EC2 instance properly. Okay, let us take this one. EC2, Route 53, websites 75%, website having 25%. Now, which one Route 23 will give preference when it comes to access? Access means more number of customers are visiting, but who I give to give priority? Whether the person more weightage is having there or the less one. Which one I should give the priority? Just like in a shop, you are having more crowd in one place, maybe one product, and another product there are less crowd. Which one will give priority and solve the problem? 75%. Correct now? Same thing, right? Rated round robin routing. Next, latency routing. Latency means what? Reduce delay. How to reduce delay? So help improve your global applications. So first it will go and find wherever the resource available nearest, that it will take. Where the resources are nearby, or wherever the latency, wherever the region, wherever the availability zone is nearby, that it will take the priority, or whichever is done in the cache, which cache is done nearest, that it will take. Another routing is geolocation routing, that is just based on the location. Traffic based on the location of the users. First it will go and check which location he is from. Okay, based on this location, it will give the priority. Of Bangalore means Bangalore location. Bangalore location and its surrounding location, which is nearest. He'll go to that and send the traffic. Send the traffic means utilize that resource and make sure the user is getting access faster to that website. Next, geo proximity means that is what the resources, particular service what you're looking for should be nearest. Whichever service is the nearest one, that it will take the preference. Next, this one is the main thing, what? Failure over routing. That means if one thing failed, you will use the other one. Like, for example, you'll always have plan A and plan B, right? So, if your friend, you might be calling your friend on Saturday for going out. So, that is plan A, okay? But finally, as usual, the friend says, I have some other work, I am not able to come. Then what you'll do, you'll go with your parents or neighbors, right? That is plan B. So same thing, one failed, another will take over. That same thing only, but we have to configure and keep it. Same thing, failure over routing, failure over backup site if your primary site becomes unreachable. So if primary is not working properly, it will go for the next one. That is your backup. That is the plan B. Next, multi-value answer routing. Respond to DNS queries with up to 8 healthy records selected at random. So this is a multi-value answer routing. Like multi-value answer routing means respond to all the domain name system queries. That too, it will be keeping a healthy records, healthy server, healthy records, healthy resources properly, and we have to respond at the same time. Like in your DMart or something, you go na a big shop, you'll be having multiple sales executives will be there. They will answer fast because all these are appointed for mainly for tackling the customers problem or customers who are inquiring. They have to answer at the same time. So with only one server I cannot able to answer, that is with only one employee we cannot able to answer. So we'll put multiple sales executives and let them answer simultaneously. Same thing, it is multi resources which will be able to router, they will reply. That's called your multi-value answer routing. Okay, fine. Um, this one you don't know right away. I'm going to send this document. Mm, we'll go for the next one. Now is multi-region deployment. What is this multi-region deployment? See here, you can able to see the same application, the same website. You see, same website has been launched in two locations. One is in the US West, another one is in the AP Southeast, another one in the Southwest, Southeast location. Why they want to launch in two locations? What might be the reason? Why they want to launch in two locations? What might be the reason? What do you think? Can I just mention in the chat box? What do you think? Why they want to launch in two regions? Why they want to launch in two regions, guys? Yes, Tanish, what do you think? Kiran, if one server goes down, okay, that is valid point one. The other will be there. Good. One more reason is that you can see that one server, which is one application which you have launched, deployed in one of the other end of the world, and another one you have launched in the other side of the world. Why? Why is that? Better performance during traffic. Yes. Same thing. We divide this one. Okay. Now this guy is asking to access the website or application. Which side will go? The right side or left side? Which one will go first? Right side. Exactly. The right side will go. Same thing. This guy is approaching to access the website. Which side will go? Left side. Exactly. So whoever is nearby, they will go give the access faster. For that, we are deployed in two regions. But the thing is, since we are deployed in two regions, as usual, it's going to cost us. This is separately cost us. This is separately again cost us. So both will be double charge. Next reason is failure over routing. Just now I told you, the last one, the failure over routing. So why we want to fail? As I told you, plan A fails, plan B will activate it. Now improve the availability of an application that runs by AWS. What is the main thing? You are keeping a backup copy and failure over scenario for your applications and enabling highly available multi-region architecture. Multi-region architecture, 1 year, 1 year, multi-region architecture. Creating health checkups also. So every frequently see here, three failure threshold is three. Every 30 seconds, request interval. Every 30 seconds you want to get check it, check your health conditions. Next string matching. String matching, whether the string is matching, latency groups. So these are all things, it's option there. First thing is request interval, how frequently I want to check it. And as I told you, Route 223 will always check the health checkup. So enabling high availability lab, highly available multiplayer architecture, creating health checkups, and configuring backup and failure over scenarios to your applications. Now see the example here. See, as I told you, user is coming first route 53. We have already written the cassette as you see, routing policy as failure over policy, and record type is primary. Which one? This one is primary, and the secondary, that is secondary, which you have already set routing policy failure over. Which one is secondary? Amazon S3 bucket. So same file application will be there in the S3 bucket also. But when the user comes, it will first go to route 23 and then it will go to, if it's good, if it's in a good condition, it will go to the load balancer. From there it will go to auto scaling, and then the server is getting, I mean, and the server is already connected to your database. Now in case if this route is not working or fine, it will go to the second, that is plan B, secondary. What is that? Amazon S3 bucket, where we have already kept that same project, same file in static mode. So until this problem is resolved, it will be there in the static mode. Are you getting this? Yes. You can put a thumbs up symbol so that we'll move to the next one. What about others? Anthony, Anish, Uma, Anjali, Tanish. Yes. Come to the end of this section. Yes. Tanish, can you read it? Okay, who is there? Uma is there. Uma, can you read it? Anthony, can you read it?
Yes, sir. Amazon Route 53 is a high available and scalable cloud DNS web service that translates domain names into numeric IP addresses.
Mhm.
Amazon Route 53 supports several types of routing policies. Mu- Multi-region development improves your application performance for global audience. You can use Amazon Route 53 failover to improve the availability of the application.
Okay,
Sir, sorry, sir. I without knowing I on my camera.
no issues, no issues. Amazon CloudFront. So Amazon CloudFront networking and content delivery. So also at the name itself says, what is that? It's a front page of your cloud, front page of your cloud. And this is a content and delivery network. It is a content and delivery network, which we have learned already in the regions. See, it's a content delivery network. What is this content delivery network? It's a global distributed system of caching servers. I think I already explained you in the regions availability zone in the third one. See here. So example, you have this Amazon Prime. Correct now? Amazon Prime is there. Now Amazon Prime is where actually? Is it in India? Is it in India? Is Amazon Prime application or installation the main file, main company? Where is it? Is it in India? No, correct. Now it is in the US. So now in the US, Amazon Prime is there, but you are from India. You are watching the Amazon Prime application and lot of movies. Okay, let us take the latest movie you want to watch. What is the latest movie? Okay, I think Kantara is there. Kantara 2. Now Kantara 2, they are uploading it in the US. Now from the US, you are able to see from India. Is it coming like this? No. Correct. So it will come from here to here, here to here, here to here, here to here, here to here. Correct. So now when you come to these locations, will these people also will take a copy of that file? Kantara, Kantara 2, Kantara 2. Yes or no? You're passing some, let us say you're passing some question paper, which is the question paper of tomorrow's exam. And that trainer, that staff is asking you to pass to the last bench, last row. That too with the questions and answers. What will you do? What will you do? Will you take a copy of that question paper? Yes or no? This, because that's what you are also going to write tomorrow. You will take a look of it, not only look of it, you will take a copy of that photocopy also, right? Yes, why? Because you are also going to take the exam tomorrow. The same thing. Now, same thing, Kantara, this movie copy will be there here, 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 in all the edge locations, all the edge locations and edge location or regional edge cache locations or availability zone or regions, correct? Why? Because next time, now India we are watching, next somebody is watching from here. It will again, it is having a nearest copy, it will come here. Next again, someone is want to watch from here, it will go from India, right? So everyone will have a copy. So that's what content. What is meant by content? Content is nothing but all your text file, video file, audio file, images, pages, everything I call as content. Now this content file, this content file content is getting delivered. Content is delivered through network, through network. That is called content. That is called content delivery network. It is called content delivery network, CDN. Content is delivered through network. So it will have a cache copy of commonly requested files. Commonly requested file means you are able to see these YouTube videos and all those things. Na? As I told you, I think already I told you one time, if your Amazon Prime itself you are watching a movie, If it's frequently you seen watchable watched movie means it will be loading faster. If it's a very old movie where no one have watched means it will take some more time to load, right? So same thing, frequently accessed data will be there. Next, delivers a local copy of the requested file from the nearest cache presence of edge or points of presence. I already told you points of presence is nothing but edge location and regional edge cache locations. Next, it accelerates delivery of dynamic content. It accelerates delivery of dynamic content. Next, it improves applications performance. It improves application performance and scaling. It improves applications performance and scaling as well. So here you can see same thing whatever I explained. First the client visits, the user will visit the client that is the website. From there it will route. From the original server it will hop. That is it will go for multiple routes, contents. So he also will have a copy, he will have a copy, he will have a copy. Everyone will have one copy. That's called cache server. That is called cache copy. Why we need this cache? That means same thing in your browser. You are able to see that your Gmail ID, password and everything is stored automatically, or it will ask you. Yes, it will ask you the first time. Second time, if you have saved it, it will not ask you. When you click that website, it will automatically log into that page. Correct now? Why? Because the cache is memory is already stored all your information, which is helping us to load the website also faster. Which is helping us to load the website also faster. Now, CloudFront. CloudFront is a fast, global, secure CDN service, content delivery network service, global network of edge locations and regional edge cache locations. It's a self-service model, pay as you go pricing. You'll be asking you are going to pay for what you use only. It's a self-service model and it'll have global network of edge locations and regional edge cache locations as well. Now here you can able to see whatever I explained. We have edge locations, network of data centers, CloudFront that uses the server popular content quick to customers. So you're able to see from here, then you can from Australia means here. So everyone will have that same copy. And first, if it's frequently used, it will be there in the edge location. Frequently used. Infrequently used, it will move to regional edge cache locations. Okay, that's what this edge location and regional edge cache locations. Now, CloudFront benefits. What are the CloudFront benefits? It's fast and global security at the edge, highly programmable, deeply integrated with AWS, and cost effective. Security at the edge, highly programmable, deeply integrated with AWS, and cost effective as well. So when we have this CloudFront, it is like CloudFront. Behind you will have edge locations and regional edge cache locations, edge locations. So now when the customer types, the CloudFront will fetch from whichever region the nearest cache file is there. That it will pull it out. That it will pull it out and bring it. Now, how this pricing will be charged? So, CloudFront pricing is data transfer out. How much data you are transferring out? For example, 500 MB of data or 5 GB of data you are transferring from one place to another place. That too from region to region. That is from India to Australia, Australia to US or something. From region to region, not inside the region. So it is charged for the volume of data transfer out from the CloudFront edge location to the internet or to your original locations. It is one way. One of the method they are charging. One. Another method is that is HTTP request. That is to that website Amazon.com. How many people came to visit? How many number of requests came to that website? That they will charge. For example, one request is maybe mm, 2 cents, 3 cents, 5 cents, 50 cents, 1 cent, also, $1 also. Who knows that? Only the based on the developer and their content, it depends on that. Like you have these OTT platforms now, all the OTT platforms are having the same videos also. Sometimes you are able to see that. Yes, same. For example, is Kantara movies. Kantara movie is not only in this app, it will be there in other apps also, other OTT platform. So other OTT platform is everyone got the rights to store that file actually? Do you think everyone got the rights to store that movie in their application? No, right? So only one person will buy that, and other persons they will give access. Other persons they will give access to them, but based on the number of requests. I mean, based on the request. If they request, somebody is requesting you, requesting somebody is requesting for one data, then you will be noted, okay, for one data I want to charge this one. Same thing here, they will charge for the number of requests, $1 or 50 cents or whatever it is. Next, invalidation request. What is this invalidation request? Yes, when you type, for example, you are typing amazon.com. Okay, this is Amazon spelling. Now in case if you are typing amazon.com, that is AMAZON, what will happen? What will happen? Here you see what is happening. When I type Amazon, what it is showing me, what it is showing me. Come on guys, what it is showing? It is showing that this is not the right one. This is the actual result. Correct? Na? So now this is called invalid request. That means you are typing something and CloudFront is suggesting you that exact value. So now if you are doing like this for 1,000 paths, for 1,000 paths that are request for invalidation each month, then thereafter you are, if 1,000 paths more requests are invalid, then you have to pay 0.005 per path, that is request for invalidation, because it is correcting you now, for that they are charging. So there is no adjustment for the first 1,000 paths, no issues. First 1,000 files, no issues. But after that, it will be charging. Next, dedicated IP customization. So dedicated IP means when you host your computer, as I mentioned, whenever you stop the instance, automatically the instance. So whenever you stop the instance, automatically the instance monitor, like your computer have monitor and CPU, correct? So CPU you are not going to change. Now when you change monitor, is the content will get changed? When you change the monitor, will the content will get changed? Yes or no? Yes or no? When you change the monitor, no, correct, right? Same thing. Whatever data you have, that will be stored in your volume. That will be stored in your virtual instance volume. This is a volume. Your data is stored here. Now, when you stop the instance, this monitor will get changed. Monitor will get, for example, this one. As I told you, the monitor, when you change it, the content will not get changed. Same thing, whatever data you have, that is all the data, whatever you used all this time will be stored in this. Let us say hard disk. Hard disk is your volume. So if you remove the hard disk, the data will be there. If you remove the hard disk, the data will be there. If you remove the hard disk, will the data will be there? No. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Tanush? No. Correct, no? No, same thing. When you stop the instance, what will happen? The monitor will get changed, but the data will be there. You can fix it another monitor. That means when you start the computer, Amazon will fix another new monitor. Same thing here when the volume, because the volume of data is there. So I want to now what is the condition here? There is a dedicated IP for SSL, that is secure socket layer. I don't want to change this monitor also. That is a part of the your virtual machine also don't want to change. I don't want to change even when I stop also. Then I have to pay extra. So here you can see 600 per month for each custom ACL certificate that is associated with more CloudFront distributions that use a dedicated IP. Dedicated IP means dedicated server will be allotted to you. Even when you stop also it will not go and serve the other person. Okay. So of custom SSL certificate support that is SSL. You will be able to see this secure socket layer certificate when you type some websites in. Let us take Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer have anyone used? If you go and type Internet Explorer, it will show you SSL certificate or not. Nowadays, it is already default. It is there in your Chrome itself. Okay, so we don't have to do that. Now, next one. Coming to the end of this section. Can anyone read this? Is Gobinath, can you read it? Gobinath. Okay, now. Anjali, can you read it? Sampada, Sri Lakshmi. Okay, Kiran, can you read it?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
A CDN is a globally distributed system of caching servers that accelerates delivery of content. Amazon CloudFront is a fast CDN service that securely delivers data, videos, applications, and API over a global infrastructure with low latency and high transfer speeds. Amazon CloudFront offers many benefits.
Okay, fine. So we come to the end of this section. In this networking, we talk about basic networking, virtual networking in the cloud with Amazon VPC, network diagrams, basic VPC architectures, yes, security group, Route 23, and CloudFront. Due to the knowledge check, which AWS networking enables a company to create a virtual network within the AWS? Which one will create a virtual network with AWS? What is the answer? You type it in the chat box. Mhm. D, 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 everyone is saying D. Okay, let us see. So AWS networking service, create a virtual network is nothing but D. What is the D option? Answer D, VPC. Fine. So we have completed this fifth module. So still we have five more modules. As I told you, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth are the very important modules. So we have completed two modules, important modules, that is security and networking module we are done. Now still tomorrow we'll start with compute. That is the main module, sixth module. Now today we'll do the lab of this networking module, and if we have time we'll finish the previous security module also. Okay, so who is ready to share your screen? Who has already logged into your account of educate? Who has done that educate account? Kiran, you are ready?
Yes, sir.
Please
Okay.
share your
Please
screen.
share your screen. 1 minute, sir.
Hmm. Yes, getting started with networking, you just click it.
Continue, sir.
Continue, continue. This is just a simple thing only. Continue, continue, and give it. That's it. Close this. Close this. Hmm. This one is getting started with the networking simulation lab. As I already mentioned, simulation lab means what? Wherever you wrongly clicked, it will throw error. Okay. Okay. This is the first one. Task one simulation. You can click that simulation instruction on the top. Everyone, you know that I already told you that instructions, everything will be there. Click that PDF. It will be there. All the steps also will be there. Okay. Today I will guide you. Those who are doing self, you just go to this document, check every step, and do step by step instructions. Okay. Yeah. Go to the previous page. Yes. Click continue. Yes. So we are going to create a VPC, right? That's a task one. So click VPC. Type VPC in the search box on the top. VPC. Enter. Select VPC. Since it's a simulation lab, they might have already created. Left side you click VPC, your VPC on the options. Yes, your VPC. I think it's very small. Can you zoom it actually? People are will be not able to. No, the entire board you have to zoom out. Yes, Hmm. Yes, somewhat okay. Now you see example VPC is there. So there's example VPC. You selected. Select left side. Okay,
Oh,
fine, fine. Try again. See, wait. This wait. I'll tell you. I'll tell you. So you see the ID na? What is the ID name it is showing? VPC ID
yes, sir.
A2DE. Okay, we will make a note of this A2DE. This is the one VPC which I already created and kept it. Okay, now you click continue at the bottom. Just that we are just checking this VPC. We have not done anything. No, we created a VPC. That means AWS itself has created a VPC for this lab. Now we go to explore the subnets. Click continue. So go and check left side subnets. Left side subnets. You're able to see four subnets are the subnet one, two, three, four. Yes, now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Select this public subnet one you select. Yes, you are able to see auto assign public IP address for box or not. That means what? Automatically the public can able to access it. Public that means this is going to be a public server where I can able to host my website, launch my website on top of this server so that public can able to access it. Okay, done.
Okay, sir.
Now come down, click continue. Yes. Explore an internet gateway. Now we'll explore the internet gateway. Next again click continue. Choose left side internet gateway. Yes, you can able to see internet gateway is there. Example internet gateway is there. Yes. So the internet gateway is for what? Today we have yesterday we have discussed what is internet gateway. If public server wants to access internet, you need internet gateway, which is connected to your route table. From that route table, it will be able to take the internet access. Okay. Now you can able to see that you click that internet gateway, select that. Okay, it's not going. Okay, click continue. Fine. Click continue. Next, explore a route table. We go and explore the route table. Left side, you click route table. Route table is there. Na? Yes, you are able to see what are the route tables we have. Public route table. Yeah, select that one. Public route table. Left side, left side, left side. Tick mark. The checkbox is there.
Okay.
The checkbox. Yes. Now below you see there is a destination. I showed you the diagram. Na? Destination and the address. So here we have mentioned the VPC address is /16, which is local, where local communication should be able to accept it. I showed in the theory on yesterday, day before yesterday, I showed you destination route table, right? Next, in this subnet associates, click subnet associates. So here you can see what are all the subnets associated with this route table. I told you already, route table can have multiple subnets, and subnets should have at least one route table. Okay. Next, security groups. Click continue, enter and security group. Yes, left side below you see security group is there. Yes, left side, scroll above, scroll above. So here you is able to see default web security group, default VPC security group. Click that one. Select the default. No, not that one, not that one. The above one, first one, default. Default, left side checkbox. Left side checkbox. It's not going inside. It should come slow down. Here you can see details. Click outbound rules is there. Yes, here you can see outbound rules are there. Nothing. One is all traffic allow. I told you right. Security group and the NACL differences. Security group will send all the outbound rules allow. Right. That is there. Now left side. Again scroll above. Choose the inbound rules. Okay. Below come. You just select inbound rules also. Select inbound rules. Yes, inbound rules. What is that? Again, here also they have said allow. They have set allow. Right, because it's a default. Default security groups. It will allow everything. Next, scroll above. Yes, remove that and then select web server SG. Now you see what are the inbound and outbound. Come down. Yes. Now scroll left side.
I can't scroll.
That setting you change it to zoom with the fit. Okay.
Mm,
Okay, now
I
you're
don't.
able to see edit. Wait. Edit inbound rule is the right side, top right side. Edit inbound rule, and then type edit
Edit.
inbound rule. Click that. And now we are going to add one more. So just scroll down. You're able to see edit add rule. There in the type you just select HTTP. Type HTTP. Yes. Next source you just mention anywhere IPv4. Anywhere IPv4. And type allow web access. 1 month.
Hello.
Yes. Please start one session. Because
Hello.
yesterday, since I only one batch. Shruti. There's two batch only today. Then 2 o'clock batch will come, right? But in the portal it was showing you are changing. Next batch is 11 to 1. 11 to 1, then she will take and he will let him continue. Why there again issue up? because all these this month two to three buses will get over, so they will be free. Again, Shruti also will be free too. 11 to 1 and 11 to 1. Hmm. But they are occupied now, we don't have issue. But now, imagine the sun now three buses everywhere. So three people are two buses, only one bus they are taking now, then it will be a problem. So I'll split times. Don't let it. Is allow web access. Allow web access. You can type allow web access.
Yes, sir.
Enter. Last you keep and enter. Hmm. And now you click save rules. Yes. Now go to, we are going to identify EC2 instance VPC and subnet and created a VPC. Yes, clicks. Now you go, you are able to see in the search box type EC2. We have done everything, VPC is done. Now we are going for EC2. Enter, select EC2. Now left side running instance. Left side instance is there. Choose running instance. Is it on the top running instance is there? No, again. Running instance. No,
Running.
scroll up, slightly. No, above. That right side you see. Slight right side, one step. That's it. Click that. You're able to see already one server is running, that is your web server. Correct? Select that, take check mark that. You're able to see below VPC ID, the same VPC ID which we have seen there, and the public subnet and public private subnets. You are able to see public subnet 1, 2. You are able to see the public subnet. Yes. Okay. Click continue. Maybe when I am doing this in my personal account, you will be able to see clearly. Okay.
Hmm.
Now create custom VPC. Now we know how to create a VPC. So VPC, which all these steps they have done it already. Now we are going to create the VPC. Okay. So from the beginning. So click VPC. Type VPC. VPC. Your VPC. Left side. Your VPCs. Now on the top you are able to see create VPC. Click create VPC. We are going to create a VPC. Now select VPC and more. VPC and more. Yes, the name of the file we can give it as lab. L caps lab lab. L caps lab. Okay. Next enter. Now it will give you a CADR block range. You are able to see. It's not visible for me. Just to fit that right side checkbox is. Yes, come down, scroll down. Now you see that VPC CADR block is 10.0.0./16, correct? Na? 10.0.16 means what? It is the 65,536 IP addresses we have, correct? Now come down in the availability zone, you select 2. Same thing again, public subnet 2, private subnet 2. Now in the CADR block, customize subnets CADR blocks is there, na? Customize CADR subblocks. Click that. Type that 10.0.10.0 point type we have to type 10.0.1 0 point again 0.0/24. Enter. This is public subnet 1, again public subnet serial block 10.0.1.0
0.1.
1.0/24. enter. Yes. Next one is private. Private again 10.0.2.0.
Two. Oh,
2.0/24. Next 10.0.3.0/24. Enter. Yes, you are able to see that the structure we have created. Four subnets. Four subnets will have automatically two route table. One is private route table, one public route table. Again, you are able to see internet gateway and network connections. You are able to see. Now click continue. Or yes, go below. Come scroll down. No, no, scroll down. Ah, click create VPC. Create VPC. Now it's getting created. Yes, VPC. Click view VPC. This is how the VPC will get created. Click view VPC. Yes. Now left side you are able to see the security groups. We are going to configure the security groups. Select security groups. Yes. Now go create security group. On the scroll above, left side, right side, right side. Drag this one. Drag this below one. Create security group. Is the name is web server web server 2 web server 2 sg sg enter. No, sg caps. Same things are fine. Now description we given allows http access. Allows 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 http space http access space access. Next to VPC lab VPC, click that. Select lab VPC. Next inbound role, add inbound role. Click add inbound role. Yes. Type custom CV, you just type it HTTP. We have done there na HTTP. Then port number anywhere IP address. Same allow HTTPS on the description. Allows web access. Allows web access. Enter. Enter correctly. Enter web access. Allow web access. Allows seller. Allows web
okay.
access. Allow web access. Yes. Now come down and click create security groups. Yes, we have come to this eighth task. Explain the configuration settings of launching EC2 instance. Okay, click. Now launch instance. You're able to see instance launch. We are going to launch instance. We created a VPC account. Inside that we are going to launch our server. So what is the server name we are giving it? We are giving the server name as web-server 2. Web-server 2. Yes, enter. You select OS image. Amazon Linux only. Let it be there. No, not to do anything. Let it be there. Scroll down.
That's all.
No, no, scroll down.
I can't scroll down anymore.
What are you showing? Click next button. Oh, wait, wait. Now continues then.
Continue, it's not there.
Okay, do one thing that settings fit to lower one. I think it's not visible. Hmm. Select that Amazon that one 2023 AMI, right? You click that. That one. Let's choose. That's what we have mentioned. Two AMI will be there. Linux 2 AMI is there. That one. Yes. Now keeper. Click the keeper. Scroll down. Okay, T2 micro. Let it be there. Keeper.
Okay.
Keeper. So from the drop down, you select proceed without keeper. Proceed without keeper.
It, proceed without keeper.
Proceed without keeper.
Uh, I don't know where it
So
is.
it's their option. You see, it is there below. You select that.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Next in the network settings, come down. You see edit option is there. Edit
Mm,
option is there. Choose that. VPC. You select lab VPC. Next public subnet one. Select that one. Public subnet one. See this the other public subnet. It's private. So public subnet one. Then enable. This auto assign should be enable. Enable. Next one, firewall security. Select existing group. We already created a security group, na? So select existing group. From the list, you select web security 2G. That's what the one we created, na? That one. Select. Select that. Come down. Right side, you see launch instance. Click that. Launch instance. You click that. Yes, you have completed this one. You click continue. Nothing is going right. Okay,
yes, sir.
go to the previous tab. Go to the previous tab. Tab. Not this one. Tab.
Okay, okay.
Not this one. Go to this one. What is this one?
This one is.
This one is the other one. No, no. Go to the tab. Click modules. That's it. Click the modules. Hmm. So you should be able to see that tick mark will come. After that, you can guys can take the final assessment. Some 10 questions will be there. Finish that, and you have to climb the badge. On the day we have done a same thing. Climb the badge, and we have to share it in the LinkedIn. I think I showed you. I think I didn't show you the badges. Have you got the badge actually? And the day I think you said like you want to log into your LinkedIn account and all those things.
Ah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got the badge.
Go to Credly account. Go to the new tab and type Credly. That one. You got the storage lab. Right? Share that. Click that share. Select your LinkedIn account. LinkedIn. Left side. LinkedIn is the left
Left
side.
side.
LinkedIn is share to LinkedIn. Have you logged into your LinkedIn account?
Yes, sir.
Leave it. Nothing you have to do. Click save.
That's all.
It's not showing anything.
No,
Where is that man? It used to post actually.
I think I did it, sir. I did
You
it
did it
previously.
already.
Yes, sir.
Go there. to your posts.
Where, sir?
Below,
Here.
you see on this one. Edit that. I'm not able to see that. The edit on the three dots is there, no? Three dots. Edit post. You did it already. So here the icon is showing there, no?
Mm.
The on the top verify achievement at the rate AWS.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just put at the rate. Can you able to link me so that I'll be able to see at the rate?
At the rate, what is at the rate?
You just put at the rate symbol.
I don't know what is at the rate.
At Gmail at the rate gmail.com you'll put the at symbol I'm asking.
Yeah.
MURALI
MURALI
DHARAN
DHARAN.
space R. This one, the second. Yes.
This one, sir.
No, the other one. Above,
This one.
yes. Okay, that's it. Save it. I will know that. So others also, once you have done this labs one by one, you just tag me so that I'll come to know whether you have completed or not. Okay, so same thing, you just finish that test and you get a badge. Maybe once you finish this today, tomorrow you will get it. Okay, so tomorrow we'll start with the sixth module. Or before that, have you guys completed that security lab or not? Please tell me. Yes, Kiran, you can stop your screen.
Sir.
Have you guys done or not? Tell me that so that we'll do it and continue with the other one. If not done, come on, guys. Okay, fine. So tomorrow we'll start, and maybe at 7 o'clock we'll stop and we'll start the lab and close it. Okay. Okay, guys. So we'll see you tomorrow at the same time. Okay. Thank you. We'll see you tomorrow.
Sir,
Thank you.
I can't open AWS Educate, sir.
Not open AWS.
Educate, sir, the builder, Educate builder.
Why?
It is showing you can't open.
Okay. Others you can leave. Anthony alone will stay and share your screen. What is this? You first go to skill builder. Skill builder ID. First you go log into skill builder. I told you on that day. Go register in skill builder. You close the small box. Close this one. Below one. That one you close it. Go to Google and type skill builder one. Go to Google and type skill builder. That's I think that's login is there. Na? Check your verification code has come to your email ID. Put that verification code.
Sir, from here I can't do
Do
anything.
one thing. You just delete all the cookies and everything. Okay.
Sir?
You have to delete all your history, cookies, everything from your browser. Okay. Then only it will be
O-
working.
Okay, sir.